Coming up this week on Cable 7, it's wrestling with Sean the Crusher Little. This week, the Crusher faces Bear in a Cement Street death match.
So have you ever heard of No Talk Just Show?
Wait a minute.
You know, I'm the host of it.
Oh, you mean that show that Brian was telling me about?
Yeah, the show Brian was telling you about. I'm the host.
Really? Well, Brian's a really cool guy. I like Brian. You ever meet Brian?
Brian's a little poofta who holds the cameras, okay? He has nothing to do. I am the creative talent behind the show. I am the genius who makes this show possible. Brian, what is Brian? Brian is like the buzzing of a gnat to me.
Buzz, buzz. He's a nice guy. I like Brian.
That's it. This is on now.
Thursday nights on Cable 7 at 7 p.m. Catch Wrestling with Sean the Crusher Little. This week, the Crusher takes on Bear in a death match. At 7:30 p.m., catch Drinking Binge, the game show that asks how much can you drink, then makes you prove it. And at 8 p.m., catch the heart-wrenching tale of a dressmaker who decides to try out for the Olympics in Running with Scissors. Only on Cable 7 this Thursday night.